You might be an organization with diverse teams across geographical locations. With multiple skills and departments, your challenge is to streamline learning and development. NetSkill is the answer to this. Meet Sarah, a software engineer, and John, a machinist. Let's explore how NetSkill helps them. Upload your employee list in a single click or integrate with your HRMS or enable SSO. NetSkill have a centralized control of learning and development for your employees. Understand the variety of skills required for each of your departments and teams. Create relevant content, including courses, quizzes, assessments, games, roleplays, and certifications using the power of Gen AI. Assign courses and automate performance-based coaching with the help of NetSkill AI. Employees get a super cool and easy-to-use app to access the engaging content that you have published. You can track progress with assessments and certifications, leaderboard, and a centralized reporting mechanism. With this deployment, you are now constantly moving the employees to the next level. You boost retention and hit your organizational goals to be an employer of choice. NetSkill helped Sarah become a team lead and John advanced to supervisor. With the help of NetSkill LMS, the organization is ready with future skills to stay ahead of competition. NetSkill is the world's leading digital content creation and LMS platform. Contact us now to schedule a demo of NetSkill platform.